Alright guys, we're back. So Erica has smoked this Texas Tornado for 45 minutes, and so now we are to the point where I get to try it. So here it is. We got this thing right here. Check her out. Alright, so let's cut it open, see what's going on inside here. Alright, so I finally get to try this out. And so anyways, cheers. Erica, you did amazing.
Thank you.
Folks, that is the best. Look at that. So first of all, the difference I can taste immediately is that it's super, super creamy. Super creamy. Oh, and it got a little kick. So she left a little something in there for us, but it's not overwhelming. And bacon's crispy. Bacon's crispy on there. And that's nice. So, but man, delicious. You guys got to come try this out today.